Okay, so in this particular video, we are going to talk about how any coaches can make 1 lakh rupees month in 2026. And if you watch this particular video full, so you got the step-by-step roadmap how you can achieve this particular things. Okay, so hi everyone, my name is Roshan Singh and basically I'm meta ad expert. We generated more than 2 crore plus revenue through meta ads. Okay, so I already work more than 50 plus coaches in India as well as out of the India. So let's start it step by step. Okay, so let's start the coaching in 2026. See, if you are any kind of the coaches, you have to become like a problem solver. You have to solve the specific problem, then you can like do coaching in 2026. अगर आप एक प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं करते हैं तो 2026 में अपने कोचिंग बिजनेस को चलाना बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, है ना. सो यू हैव टू बिकम ए प्रॉब्लम सॉल्वर. ओके, so second point is don't need a 1 million followers or fancy studio. Like if you are a basic coach and if you solve a one kind of the you don't need a like 1 million and 2 million followers. If you have 100 and 200 followers, it's also good, and you don't need a like any kind of the fancy studio to start. Okay, so need the right model in 2026 and I will going to give you in this particular video. Okay, so let's understand. First of all, reframe the goal. What is the goal? So if you wanted to make like 1 lakh rupees, so 1 lakh is not a big number. Break down the examples. For example, if you are serving the 10 clients at the price point of the 10,000, you can easily make 1 lakh rupees. If you are serving 20 clients at the 5,000 price point, you can easily make 1 lakh rupees. And if you serving the 5 clients, only 5 clients in 20,000 price point, you get 1 lakh rupees every single month. So I hope you understand how you have to reframe your goal. Okay, and let's talk about the step 1. What is the step 1? Step 1 is pick a profitable niche. Specific coaches win. I told you earlier like you have to be a specific coach. Okay, avoid general statement like don't say I am a life coach. You have to be specific, like help professional to fix burnout in 90 days, helping creators to monetize skill, and help student to crack interviews. You have to be specific for like making the 1 lakh rupees in 2026. If you are not going to be specific, you still struggling to make 1 lakh rupees in 2026 as well. Okay, so clearness is equal to faster, trust and payment. So if you have a like clearness, so you can easily make 1 lakh rupees a month. I hope you got it, and you got it. What is the step 1? Okay, so let's talk about step 2. What is the step 2? Package result, not time. Many coaches you see like they charge hourly basis. So stop selling hourly session. Client paid transformation, not for the time. Okay, so offer result based program. Don't charge and don't make any kind of the offer that is the hourly base. Instead of charging 1000 session, you have to offer the price and you have to charge 50,000 for 30 days transformation program. Okay, so you don't need to, if you are still charging in 2026 hourly base or like a time base, so you have to package that particular offer in a specific time frame and as a transformation program. So clear outcome is equal to no pricing residence. I hope you understand what you have to do. If you still struggling in this particular things, you can simply book your call with me. I personally help you by set up all these things. Okay, so let's talk about the step 3. What is this? Step 3 is the build one simple authority platform. Let's understand step by step. So don't need to be everywhere. You have to active on one particular platform. Okay, like pick one platform like Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. You have to active on one platform and where you can simply find your prospect. Okay, so post 3 things of consistently in one specific platform, like problem your audience related to and solution you believe in. For example, if you are weight loss coaches, okay, so you give them the like solution how your customer going to reduce their weight loss. You have to post this type of content, and again you can post your proof, stories, result and insights. I hope you got it how you have to do. And last is visibility, build trust. and trust builds clients. You have to build a trust in your customers. Like, see, this video I am also making for the like building trust in my customer mind, because we are helping to coaches to build their funnels and get their first 20 to 30 clients in a month. So we build this kind of the process and videos so they can believe on me ki yes, we are good at this particular things to helping them. So you can do same things for yourself and your client, for your client. Okay, I hope you got it. So let's talk about the step 4, master one sales conversion. What is this? So this one is like, don't sell, diagnose. What you have to do for selling the particular. Many people like doing sales very fascinate things, but you have to do simple way. I told you like key sales tactics. What is this? Ask better question. You have to ask the better question that related to your product and services, and listen more than you talk. So when you try to sell anybody, you have to listen your customer, okay, and show the gap, like where they are and where they want to go. If you show them the gap, they will understand ki okay, where I'm stuck and how I can help them. Okay, so feeling understood is equal to client choose you. If client is feeling good with you, they can easily choose you and they can close. Okay, I hope you got it, how you have to master the sales conversation. Let's talk about the step 5, repeat what works and ignore noise. Many people, what we do, they do simple, they try many things, like they try multiple funnels, multiple sales strategy. No, if anything works for you, just repeat it, that particular work. Success come from few done well, not everything. Okay, so core focus area, one clear niche, one strong offer, and one content system, and one repeatable sales process. You have to repeat these everything again and again. Okay, no chaos, no burnout. You don't have to do any complicated things, just be simple and bilkul bhi paresan nahi. Let's talk about the last is closing and motivation. What is this? Okay, so in this particular case, coaching is a skill based business. If others can do, so you can also do. You have to understand ki why some coaches can make good money and some coaches can't. They don't have actual skill and they try to sell that. It's not going to happen, to be honest. In 2026, people going to be very smart. Everywhere, like you got the knowledge. So just if you wanted to survive in 2026, you have to be a specific coach and implementation coach. You have to implement this. You can't be survive in 2026 only giving them the knowledge and information, because knowledge and information everywhere in internet. Okay, so I hope you understand. If you like this particular video, please click on the like button and you can subscribe this channel. And if you want my help to hit your first 1 lakh in 2026, you can simply book your call with me. You got the booking link in description as well as the like comment section, and I personally help you, me and my team, to hit you 1 lakh rupees. And if you are already making 1 lakh rupees, we help you to 1 lakh to 10 lakh rupees. Okay, I hope this video will help you and you understand ki how you can make 1 lakh rupees. If you have any question related to this, you can ask in comment section. And if you wanted to another video in any kind of the topic related to coaches, so just comment down, I will make the video on it, because in this particular channel we make a same kind of the content for only coaches. Okay, thank you.